over 8 million RMB, has plant area of 5,000 square meters, and about 100 employees. Founded in 2010, we mainly specialize in high-performance rubber and plastic parts. With over 7 years ODM and OEM experience, we accept customized design and can open new mold to satisfy customers' requirement. We have strong R&D and engineering department to ensure products quality and outstanding customer service, and a strong sales and after-sales team, which have more than 8 years rich international sales experience to serve customers worldwide. The company implements ISO9001-2015 and ISO14001 quality management systems strictly, strengthen employees' education and training continuously. Our products can achieve SGS, RoHS, FDA, REACH, and other standards to meet different customers' requirements well. We don't just sell goods, we sell partnership. No matter your order is large or small, we will provide you with the utmost services and 100% responsible for quality after sales.